In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your business type on Pinterest. After successfully converting your personal Pinterest to business type, later you want to change the business category that you want your Pinterest account to fall under. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll up to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then you need to proceed to tap on settings. You land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on account management. Under account management, proceed to tap on personal information. In order for you to change the business type, all you have to do is to tap on business type. As you correctly see, mine is already selected: creator, influencer, public figure, or celebrity. If you want to choose any, all you have to do is to navigate among the list of menus and select the one that best suits your business. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.